What is good, everyone? This is me Aditya once again with another reaction video for you all. And guys, today I am going to be reacting to this video which title says Apache 207 Under Wedge provided by June Day and K Ray. So I have no idea what it's going to be like. And without any further ado, I'm gonna check it out. But before I start the video, I would want you to do like, subscribe, and if you like this video, then only subscribe and like, and yes, comment and tell me what type of videos would you like to see in more, like in future. So without any further ado, let us check this video. Okay, play. Okay, a radio. Is it news? Is it German news? Okay, he's keep changing the stations, and everywhere it's news. There are no songs on radio. Again? Wait, I didn't get that. Why is he keep changing the station? Oh, that's also would have. I would have also done the same, but my mother would have killed me so far because I damaged the property. So she's very strict on damaging stuff and this that. Okay, this damage from damage. I would say that the jeans is so damaged. Okay. Oh, is he injured? Is he really injured? What happened to him? Why is he so injured? It's like he just came from a fight or something. Okay. Okay, is it going to be a concert? I saw a lot of seats over there. Okay, the concept is very different. I'm telling you, the guy is looking very. Oh, okay. Are you gonna sing a lot of after a long time? Okay, yes, it is. And oh wow, that looks beautiful. Looks like oh my god. Okay, so this is how the stars get to see their fans, having a light and having fun in the concert. That looks beautiful. It's a very good kind of rap, I would say. I can't. Oh, bitch. Oh my god. Sorry, but that. Oh, he literally drank petrol. The concept is very rustic. Very rustic. Oh wow. At the same time, he is an famous pop star or something. Okay, yeah, 2020 fucked up. I know. 2021, we have some hopes with 2021. Is he real? No, it's not. He's not. But it's his own truck, because he is a star. Okay. Sap Arena. Okay, everything just disappeared. Yeah, it's 2020, things fucked up in this year. Yeah, I can totally feel it. But things will get better eventually, we believe. Okay, such a luxurious car, huh? Yes, show something. Oh yes, for sure. I really loved this thing. Yeah, Apache 2 2021. Okay, he had a. Oh, okay. Okay, I got it now. Is it finished? I'll have to see the entire video, otherwise it's going to be a problem. Yeah, that's it. So guys, the Apache 2 2020 had to be cancelled, I guess. That's why they just did this and made a 1 over there, because 2021 there will be a 2. Well, obviously then 2020 literally fucked up, and we really need to get some better things, because things are very out of our hands right now. but it will get, eventually it will get better. So I believe it will get better. And yeah, I loved it. And there is this hope in this video. They have shown, there is hope for the next year. Things will get better, and I just loved that. If you love this video, then make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment below, and see you soon with another reaction video. And tell me in the comment section what type of videos would you like to see in future. Bye bye.